wanted to take just a minute to show you how we will do factors in class. So just a few steps. The first is that we always start with 1. Then we're going to go in order until you get to a number you already wrote. Or past halfway. So if we wanted to do the factors of 20, we'll do them as T-charts. It's just a really easy way to keep it organized and easy to put in order and all of that. So start with 1. 1. Can we do 1 times something to get 20? Well, yeah, 1 times 20. Then 2. Well, can we do 2 times something to get 20? Yes, that'd be 2 times 10. 3, think of those 3s. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, but no 20. So no 3. 4, yeah, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. That is 4 times 5. And next would be 5, but we already wrote 5, so we're done. That's all the factors of 20. Now to put them in order, because we always write them in order least to greatest, you start here at the top of your T-chart and then go down the left side, then go back up the right side. And so the factors of 20 would be 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20.